Hello everyone. It's taken me a while to figure out what to post because the meadow is currently in a transition period. A lot of the late spring, early summer flowers are going to seed, and the late summer, early fall flowers are just starting to bloom. Don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of color, a lot of black-eyed Susans, gloriosa daisies, bergamot, purple cone flowers, etc. But, I've shown all that stuff before and I don't want to repeat myself. So in this video, I want to highlight 4 of the late summer, early fall flowers that are just starting to bloom. And what I want to do is a little video, talk about each, and then do some still photos. So the first one I want to show you is what's been on the screen all this time. This is called an Oxeye Sunflower, or a false sunflower. This is a new perennial for me this year. It's only planted in phase 1. And you can see they look like small, miniature, black-eyed Susans. Got the yellow petals around a dark center, but there's a lot of clusters around it. And when I first saw the plant growing, if you look down, maybe you can see the leaves there, I thought it was a giant ragweed. And I'm glad I decided to resist the urge to cut them all down, since they're now blooming into these beautiful flowers. But it didn't really matter because the deer seem to like them, and I'll show you some pictures. They seem to munch them down quite a bit. Second flower I want to show you is called a blazing star. It's got the purple wispy flowers, and they start from the top and open up going down. I've planted these by seed in all 3 phases, but none of them come up. I've never seen one. And then I say, well, how about this one? Well, this spring when I was in the store, I saw a pack of 10 bulbs for like $4, and I decided to buy them and plant them. And I've had 2 out of 10 come up, and this one's actually bloomed. Now this one's maybe about 2 feet tall. They can get anywhere from 2 to 5 feet tall, and then flower blooms will start at the top, go down, and they could spread. It could be about 6 inches tall or 18 inches. So the third early fall flower, this is a New England aster. You can see there that it's got purple, or in this case fuchsia, petals going around a yellow center. And the petals can go anywhere from this fuchsia color to a dark purple. Now this is another favorite of the deer. They keep chomping it down, but that's okay. It's like a hydra. You cut the head off and 3 more spawn, so it's really starting to group up and grow around. Now this is just flowering early this year. Usually they're a little bit later, August and September. But it's nice to have some purple splash in the fall when you start getting goldenrod, and a lot of the small tiny white asters open up now. Got heath and frost asters, or whatever they're called. They're maybe only at max a ½ inch, maybe even a ¼ inch, and they're look exactly like these miniature, except they've got white petals with that dark yellow center. The final flower I want to show you is called the Maximillian sunflower. This one here is the first year this plant is blooming, and it's blooming early. Usually, last year they bloomed in mid-September, but you can see that flower at the top is open. This one's about 3 feet tall, and then where each of the leaf are, there's a bud for more flowers. So what this will do, it'll open up from the top and open those flowers going down. And these typically get 6, 7 feet tall, so they really look spectacular when they all open. Now, not only do these spread by seed, but they also spread by rhizomes. So you can see here, there's 4 of them growing here. In other places, I don't know, I've got 20, maybe 30, I can't count that high, or more. And they're going to be 6, 7 feet tall and all open with the flowers there. And like I said, it's a pretty spectacular show.